In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Adobe Acrobat Pro DC with this full step-by-step guide for 2026. To get started, open your web browser and head to the official Adobe website. Once you're there, navigate to the Adobe Acrobat Pro page. This is the page where Adobe shows the plan options, pricing, and purchase details. So take a moment to make sure you're on the correct product before moving forward. When you arrive on the Acrobat Pro page, click either Buy Now or Start Free Trial, depending on whether you want to purchase immediately or test the software first. After that, select the Acrobat Pro plan that fits your needs. Adobe may show different plan structures, so it's a good idea to read carefully and confirm you're choosing Acrobat Pro, not a different Acrobat version. Next, choose your billing option. You'll usually see a monthly or annual payment choice. Pick the one that works best for your budget and usage, then click. Continue to move on. At this stage, you'll need to sign in with your Adobe account. If you don't already have one, you can create a new account during this process. After signing in, enter your billing information. Make sure everything is accurate, because this is what Adobe will use to process your purchase and activate your subscription. Once your payment details are entered, review your order carefully. Double-check the selected plan, the billing cycle, and the total cost. If everything looks right, click Place Order or Complete Purchase to finish the transaction. After that, wait for the purchase confirmation email from Adobe. This confirms that your order has gone through successfully. In some cases, Adobe may then prompt you to download the Creative Cloud installer. If that appears, go ahead and download it. Next, install the Creative Cloud application on your computer. Once installation is complete, open the app and sign in using the same Adobe account you used for the purchase. Inside Creative Cloud, locate Adobe Acrobat Pro in the list of available apps and click Install. Now just wait for the installation to finish. Depending on your internet speed and device performance, this may take a few minutes. When it's done, launch Adobe Acrobat Pro. If requested, sign in again to verify your subscription. Finally, confirm that your subscription is active and that the app opens correctly. Once that's verified, you're ready to start using Adobe Acrobat Pro. That's the complete process from purchase to installation.